In addition to the GTD toolbar on your inbox and on new messages, helpful toolbars are installed with the software on tasks, appointments, journal items, posts, and processed messages. These toolbars contain information about the item and often allow you to act on that item. The first item on the toolbar is generally a complete checkbox. This allows you to quickly denote the task as completed, and if you're using a GTD view, the task will be removed from the active task view. This is not deleting the message, but rather storing it for historical value and future review. When you open a task that has been created as a result of processing a message from your inbox, you will see the Open Mail button as active and available to view the originating email message. The Next Action button on the Task toolbar allows you to complete a task and create a new task for that project and subproject in one step. Therefore, when you click the Next Action button, you are completing that task, and a new task will appear with the project and subproject already selected. Choose the action from the drop list for the new task and enter a subject to help you execute the item. Enter information in the body of the task to assist you. Once you are done, click the Save and Close. So, what happened? In the list of active tasks by projects, you will see that the Performance Reviews Due task is no longer listed, and the new task, Contact Polymer for a Performance Review, is now available. So where did the Performance Reviews Due task go? Well, as I previously mentioned, completing a task does not delete the task, but rather removes it from an active task view. I recommend viewing the Views Tour section for more information on the installed GTD views. Let's visit the Completed Task by Action view to see the completed tasks. Click View, Arrange by, Current View, and choose Completed Task by Action. Now you will see the completed task is listed in this view and can be opened and edited later. Return back to the Active Tasks by Project view by clicking View, Arrange by, and Current View. Let's open another task. The next button on the toolbar is the Delete button. You might wonder why we have a Delete button on the GTD toolbar when there is one available on the Outlook toolbar. The GTD Delete button will look for any associated items such as processed email messages and ask if you would like to delete the associated message as well. Click Yes to delete both. Click No to only delete the task, or click Cancel to return to the task and delete nothing. Because we deleted a task that has had action set as Someday, let's open the Someday folder to see that that message is no longer there. On another task, you will see the drop-down list for project, action, and subproject available for categorizing a task. These drop lists are managed in the Options page, and you can learn more about that in the Options section of this tour. By default, the subproject drop list is available on all tasks, appointments, and journal items. However, if you do not wish to use the drop list, you can turn it off by right-clicking next to the drop list and deselecting the Getting Things Done To toolbar. You can also turn it off globally in the default section of the Options page. For more information on that setting, review the Options section of this tour. A GTD toolbar is also available on your journal items to help categorize and view your entries. Let's open a journal item and review the available options on your toolbar. The only available items on the GTD toolbar for this type of item are project, subproject, and action drop lists. Populating these values when desired will assist in viewing your entries by project or even by action. Remember, you can learn more about views in the Views section of this tour. Finally, a process message is one that was in your inbox but moved to a GTD folder using a button such as Delegate, Defer, or Action to process it. If you open one of these messages, you have yet another toolbar with a few of the same options. You can open the associated task or appointment from the originating email, just as you can open the originating email from the task or appointment. You can return this message to the inbox if you would like to reprocess it. Be careful when doing this, because the associated task or appointment will be removed. A warning will appear to let you know that those items will be removed if you continue with this action. Click Yes if you want to return the message to the inbox and remove the task or appointment. The GTD Delete button is also available for deleting the message and, if desired, the associated task or appointment. A Notes button is available on this message, allowing you to add notes about the conversation. Click Notes to add date, time stamps, and any comments you would like to associate with this message. When you click OK, the Notes button will have a yellow Post-it icon visible to indicate notes exist on this message. Finally, you have the delegated to if the message was created as a result of a delegate action, the project, the action, and the subproject. These cannot be changed here but can be updated on the associated task or appointment, and the change will be reflected here. The combination of toolbars and views is what makes this add-in so valuable. Toolbars help categorize and act on your tasks and appointments, and views help you with weekly and daily reviews.